How to add a public profile on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can add a public profile to our Snapchat. So without any delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. First thing first, you need to download the updated version of Snapchat. After that, launch that application onto your device and you'll be able to see this kind of interface on your screen. So the next step in order to create your public profile is simply navigate or head over to your profile at the top left. After that, you'll be able to find this My Account and Public Profile section. So in order to create a public profile, you just need to go to your public profile, and here you'll be able to find a pen icon at the top. Just click on it, and here you can see this profile information, location, and show follower count. So you just need to edit it accordingly. I'm just gonna tap add a bio here, random for now. And here you can add your location as well if you want, and add a picture as well to your profile and show your follower count. And then when you go back, your public profile will be set very easily. After that, you may just use stories and all, and you should be able to find your public profile very easily on your account, and other people will also be finding your public profile. So therefore, just follow this method and you should be able to add your public profile on your Snapchat. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.